So guys, it's time for a chat that we haven't had in a long time. So today I decided just to sit down and share with you what I'm going through in my life at the moment, how I deal with so many perfumes in my collection, and why there haven't been any perfume declutters on my channel so far. Definitely keep on watching this video to find out more, and if you enjoy watching these more relaxed and chatty episodes, then please give this one a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and once you're done with that, we can get started. So hello and welcome everyone to today's more relaxed and definitely very chatty video that's going to be perfume related. However, I won't be reviewing any fragrances for you today because I feel like we are all a little bit overwhelmed by the amount of perfume content out there, and I have so many perfumes in my collection. I believe when I first moved into this house, I shared with you almost like over 600 perfumes, and since then I've gotten so many more. So I could easily wear a new fragrance almost every day, but that kind of keeps me away from my all-time favorites, and this is my strategy purchasing fragrances these days. I really stick to my wish list and those fragrances that I can get lots of wear of and mention on my channel, recommend you guys over and over again because I love them. And often new perfumes pop up here and there, and we do impulsive purchases which are fun, but I've definitely done a couple of mistakes being on this platform for such a long time. I've been putting out perfume content for you since I believe 2016, so there are so many videos to watch on my channel, and of course there have been blind buys here and there, successful, the ones that turn out to be less successful, but I also discovered some really great fragrances that way. But you know, it's always risky to purchase something without trying it first, so I always recommend test before invest. But you know, let me know how you deal with so many perfume reviews and so much perfume content all over social media, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and you know, there are so many fragrances that if I had a lot of money, probably this room would be filled with perfume. But don't get me wrong, I'm living my dream at the moment. I believe way back in the days I told my mom that I want to have a room full of perfume, and once I achieved that goal, she actually told me that she thought that was a joke. But no, it's real, and I have so many perfumes that I could easily get rid of a few of them, but there is a story behind each and single one, and I can't imagine just letting go because I'm that person that have some issues with that. So if you have actually sold fragrances and know how to do that, I would really appreciate your feedback in the commentary section, because I could easily sell a few fragrances, declutter my collection, and then invest into something from my wish list. Actually, I have like an exciting thing to tell you about. Just today I've purchased Velvet Vanilla by Mansera from my wish list that I've been dreaming about ever since I tested it, because it reminded me so much of an amazing discontinued, or better to say relaunched and very exclusive fragrance by Guerlain Angelique Noir, and I cannot wait to get Velvet Vanilla because they are very similar. But yeah, this is kind of like a smart way purchasing perfumes, not because influencers talk about it or you know it's brand new and you're excited. There are so many new releases that I am just dying to test, but I really need to stop myself and just calm down, because you know I still have PR boxes that I need to open, and it's not like big brands reach out to me and offer me money in order to promote their products. I wish, but I work with niche and indie brands, and often they just want a genuine opinion on their perfumes. But even I always recommend you new fragrances, and believe it or not, like it's very hard to keep up with bloggers' collections, because lots of the fragrances that we get are sent to us. Like even now I have this giant packaging right here of perfume that, you know what, I'm thinking I can actually open with you and have this chat. So let's do that. Here it is, guys. Look how big it is. My scissors are over here. I really need to get some pink ones, you know, just to have something a bit cuter. And you know, I'm not the best unboxer. I always drop fragrances. Oh, this is actually nice to open, or break my nails, which is not a good thing. But yeah, see, like I get new fragrances, and I could easily wear new perfumes like every day, but I feel like that makes me lose my signature scent in a way. I don't know if you can relate or you buy, whoa, so many perfumes that you forgot how your signature scents smell like. Okay, guys, this is actually amazing. Getting perfumes by the brand Orientica is always cool because they have amazing presentation. They come in beautiful boxes and the bottles are always just masterpieces. So I'm actually excited. Ooh, what's inside? Let's open it together. This is a very spontaneous video because I didn't plan to do so. Wow. Okay, it's very heavy. I am afraid that I will drop it. Okay, so this is, wow, not just one, but I believe 3 fragrances, right, in here. And I wanted to ask you something, so while I'm on it, please let me know if you would be interested in having like a list of fragrances I'm mentioning in my videos, because that's the recent comment that I got. Look how pretty. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to open everything. Do you want like a first impressions? So pretty. Come on, like Orientica is always killing it with their perfumes. But yeah, let me know in the commentary section if you would love to have like a perfume list that I'm discussing, because I've noticed, and this is kind of like my fear, that people won't watch the entire video and just click on the description box and then quickly go through the list and that's all. Because you know what, I'm always very open with you about how algorithm on YouTube works. I'm not playing games with you. When I'm telling you please thumbs up the video, please subscribe, please share, and please watch it, it's because that's the sign for YouTube that it's interesting content that can be suggested to other people. And I wish I got more views because I am getting just peanuts from the monetization. So the view time is essential for content creators, and that's for, I'm afraid that if you get the perfume list, I can't really keep, you know, the secret and engage you enough, so you will just click off the video. But they're always on the screen, so I think it's no problem just to pause and take a note and then do your own research, because it's like the part of this fun process. But if you say it's very helpful to get that list and you will watch the video and that will help me, then I can easily do so. No issues about that. But look at this box. Okay, I'm a little bit nervous opening it because I don't know which way it goes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so I was right. The cap fell off, but thanks God not on the floor. Okay, so this is Arech Hanan collection, I'm guessing. And this is the rose gold fragrance. This is so pretty, you guys. Okay, what's wrong with the cap? Oh, okay, I found the way how it closes. Okay, this is really pretty. I really want to spray it on. Ooh, this is very musky, like white musk, smells clean, very yeah, it's quite powdery. Okay, I like that. It's really lovely. Wow, I didn't expect that this video is gonna be like first impressions unboxing, but you never know where the conversation takes you to. So this is the next one, the golden one. Okay, the same story with the cap. Yeah, they are a little bit loose, but this is also another really pretty bottle. Ta-da! So let's spray this one on. How is it gonna smell? Oh, this is that fruity, ambery, woodsy type of fragrance. Reminds me of Erba Pura, you know, that style of perfume. Okay, this is very, very modern these days. People love fragrances like this. Wow, it has a bit of a shower gel vibe and a little bit of a coconut feel, like pina colada. I'm getting cocktail note, so very summery for sure. I'm guessing the black is gonna be the most intense because, you know, it's dark. I don't know, when I get the packaging like this, I think it's gonna be very powerful. So ooh, let's check it out. Okay, this is the same idea with the bottle and, you know, the cap. Nice, 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 definitely. Very pretty. Okay, so it's not too powerful. Can't compare to any other fragrance. I'm getting more of something powdery, but is it amber, is it patchouli, is it woodiness? It's slightly sweet, but not like floral or fruity. Oh, I know this type of perfume. It smells very powdery, almost cosmetic, delicious, a bit gourmand, but not almondy. Oh my god, is it oh, it reminds me of something. I hate first impressions because I can't think about the note or the perfume it reminds me of, and then it drives me nuts, but I wasn't fast enough while I'm editing this video. I was like, yeah, it's so obvious, but oh wow, this smells very, very luxurious. This is that type of perfume I would recommend if you want to stand out, but at the same time you don't want to smell too out there, you know, just to want like this beautiful fragrance. Okay, this is interesting. I definitely need to spend more time with that fragrance, but I guess that completed this video. I just wanted to share with you some things. It's not necessarily that I'm overwhelmed by the amount of perfumes in my collection, but it is getting harder to maintain it. So I might get rid of some fragrances I haven't touched in years, which is such a shame. And let me know how is the best way to deal with that. Maybe I can sell the perfumes and yeah, then just get more fragrances from the wish list that I can actually enjoy and not just let sit on the shelf. But if you can relate and you understand what I'm going through, then yeah, let me know that. If you have any questions left, I'm here to answer them. And if you enjoyed watching this chatty episode and you would like to see more like this, then don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe, follow me on my social media to stay in touch, and let me know which videos you would like to see next. Also shop perfumes with my discounts because that would be super helpful for me. The commissions, I love them and highly appreciate your time spent here. Hopefully you enjoyed this video over a nice refreshing drink or, you know, a delicious snack. And that was all for me today. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see each other next one really soon. Bye guys!